Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and disconnect the battery. Removal. Push both arms outward simultaneously to release the memory module to the spring tension position. Grasp the memory module by the edges and pull gently to remove it.
Replacement. Align the notch in the memory module with the key in the memory module slot. At a 30-degree angle, insert the memory module into its slot on the system board. Press down on the memory module until the arms snap into place. The second memory module is replaced in the same way.